Okay, so I present you the most affordable houses in Canada. Bird House. It's starting from $40 up to $45. So if you have the money, come and grab your house. And all kind of mortgage and financial options are available. Contact me.
Next morning, brought to you by Meadow Vista.
Hi, so we have reached here in Kamloops around 12:15, and we are here at Kena Cartwright Nature Park. So we have heard about this place, so we thought that we will check it out before going to the winery because it's from 2 p.m. So let's go. So they have given the plastic bags as well. That's cute. Tanush told me we are coming to a park, but unfortunately, it seems like a hiking trail and it's risky, it's difficult, and I'm doing it still. And we have our friends as well. So I found some little something from this place. मैंने तोड़ा नहीं है, by God, नीचे गिरा था, वही उठाया है. Don't know how much longer we have to walk. So now we are here at the top. The view is amazing and I'm happy because I have done this trekking and now my stomach is empty, so I can go and eat many things. Also, we have to go to the wine tasting. I'm very excited about it, so I am ready for that. Calories that I have burned, I'm going to have, I think, double of that. So see the view from here, it's amazing. One thing I would suggest you guys that if you want to come here, try to come in the morning time. So if you will come in the morning, you'll have your good exercise, you can hike, and then once you will go from here, you can have your breakfast or brunch, whatever time it is. That would be good. But yeah, if you want, the view is amazing here. You will not regret it. So now we are heading back and finally we are going to the winery. And let me tell you a fact. I have never tried alcohol before my marriage. It's all my husband. Once I married him, he let me taste everything and it's all his fault. Now I like wine. I don't drink whiskey. I don't drink beer. Sometimes, but not always. So now we are going to our next destination, the winery, the most awaited. It's not my plan, it's completely his plan.
Yeah, definitely.
So now we are going there and I'll show you guys. So guys, we are here at Sagewood Winery and you can see the surroundings. It's very nearby the lake and the mountains. Let's see how they do it.
The Gewürztraminer.
Okay.
पूरा
So what's the sweetest of the 3 whites that we have?
Thank you.
Yep.
So guys, we are here at Sagewood Vineyard, and we just did the wine tasting, and we bought the wine that we liked. And here the owner has showed us the vineyard. It's beautiful. Like the scene that you see from here, I cannot show you right now because it's a little bit private. But yeah, here the grapes, basically it will grow eventually. So it's really nice, and it's complete green up there. So we finally bought the wine, and it was a great experience. I'll tell you more about it later, and I'll give you all the details what happened here. So हम अभी सेजवुड वाइनरी गए थे, वहाँ से हमने वाइन खरीदा, एंड एक्चुअली वहाँ पे वाइनयार्ड का जो टूर है अभी बंद है, क्योंकि इस सीज़न एक्सट्रीम विंटर की वजह से जो क्रॉप्स है वो आई नहीं है अच्छे से, और बहुत सारे ग्रेप्स के पेड़ काफ़ी सूख गए हैं. तो फिर भी हमने ओनर को बोला, तो ओनर वाज लाइक रियली हम्बल एंड गुड. उन्होंने हमें अपने वाइनयार्ड में वो लेके गए, और वहाँ पे उन्होंने हमें दिखाया, तो हम जो रिकॉर्ड कर सकते थे वो हमने किया. जो लोकेशन था वो बहुत अच्छा था, एंड मैंने पहली बार देखा कि ग्रेप्स कैसे होता है ऐसे, टू बी ऑनेस्ट इट वाज नाइस. बट हाँ, बेस्ट टाइम जो आने की है यहाँ पे वो है अगस्त. सो अगर आप अगस्त में आओ तो उस टाइम पे बेरीज एंड ग्रेप्स हर डिफरेंट कलर में आपको दिखेंगे, और वो काफ़ी पिक्चरस्क भी होता है, आप वहाँ पे काफ़ी फोटोज भी ले सकते हो. सो या, इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग देन ट्राई टू कम इन अगस्त. Now we are going to eat something. We are very hungry. So we came to the downtown in Kamloops, and we just found an Indian restaurant again because we always want to eat Indian. So the name of the restaurant is Maurya's, and the review is really good. I think it's 4.7 rating. So we are going to eat there with our friends. Let's see how's the food. After the lunch, we came to this gift shop, and I always buy a magnet wherever I go that belongs to that place. So we had our lunch. It was really great. If you're going to the same place, then please order tea because it was amazing. And after the lunch, we just went for a short walk because there was a promotional event going on. I think it was for the rugby team of British Columbia named BC Lions. So we just went there, roam around, and now we are here at Costco. So it's just a quick tip for you. If you are a Costco member, then while traveling you can always find the Costco nearby you and go there to refill your tank because it's always cheaper than the other gas station. So once we are done here, we are going to go to the beach nearby, and I'll show you guys there as well. Now we are here at Riverside Park. I don't know if you can see it. Oh wait, so it's the park in Kamloops, and you can see my husband all set for the beach, and this is what we are doing exactly. So now we are here at the viewpoint in this Riverside Park at Kamloops. The view is amazing from here. As you can see, the lake, the mountains and the trees, and you can see the small beach is here as well. So if you want, you can go there and play or sit around. It's a really nice and quiet place, and the air is so fresh. I want to see the sunset from here. On our way to Airbnb, we found this Chase Creek Falls on the Google map. So we decided to make it a quick stop. So we are here at Chase Creek Falls. I'll show you. So we have parked our car and now we are going to see the falls. So now we are here at Chase Creek Falls, and as you can see, it's very huge, and the noise that you can hear, I don't know if you can hear, it's sometimes a little bit scary for me, but I'm loving it here. The mist is all over in the air. बहुत अच्छी जगह है.
Yeah, this is also an amazing falls which was near Kamloops. It was just around 30 kilometers from Kamloops.
So it's a good place.
Yeah, it's again like mist you can see in the air,
Yeah, see?
and we are getting a little bit of wet.
I don't think that they can see it like this.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit. You can see on the top. Now we are here at MACD. So the day was well spent. Now we are hungry, like really hungry. मेरा कौन सा था?
यही. एक में बेकन, एक में बेकन नहीं.
So we finally reached our Airbnb. It's 10 p.m. Today's day was really fun and it was very adventurous. We traveled to many places, explored very good places today. But yeah, we are very tired as well. I'm still okay, but I think Tanuj is more tired than me because he has to drive everywhere. Currently, I am learning driving. I have my learner's license, but I haven't given the road test yet. So once I'll go from here, the first thing that I'm going to do is to give my road test. I'll see you guys tomorrow, which is our third day of the trip. Bye. Good night.
And the idea is she doesn't want any crappy sperm, right? She wants the high quality, muscular, robust DNA because she's only going to mate once.
I can feel you. I also want the sun so bad. My god, bunny were really, really very soft. It's so cute. Like we fed them.